I wish I had some sort of adventure. Every day is usually the same thing. What was that? Roar! Ah, a monster!
Yeah, a monster.
Ah!
Run as fast as you can. You can't run away from me.
Hi-ya!
Ow! That hurts.
Why are you chasing me, monster?
Because I'm a monster. No one wants to be friends with me, a monster. I can't do anything fun, so this is the most fun I can have.
Well, I'll be your friend, monster.
You will?
Yeah, I'll be your friend. But you have to promise not to eat me.
I don't eat people.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay.
Let's have a party!